Hello friends, today I will discuss part 2nd of our series 50 most important lichen MCQs. You can use this video as test. Listen the question, pause the video and try to give answer and then check whether your answer is correct or not. Without wasting time, let's start. Which lichen is used against jaundice? Parmelia, Peltigra, Cladonia, Xanthoria. Correct option is Xanthoria. Xanthoria is a lichen that is used against jaundice. Dual hypothesis in lichens was given by D. Berre, Scavendiner, Crombie, Reinke. Correct option is Scavendiner. Scavendiner gave the dual hypothesis of lichen in year 1869. Siphyllae in lichens are analogous to dash in higher plants. Stomata, palisade tissue, bundle sheath, mesophyll. Correct option is stomata. Siphyllae in lichens help in respiration and they are analogous to stomata in higher plants. A phenomena of helotism is shown by viruses, lichens, bacteria, mycoplasma. Correct option is lichens. The phenomena of helotism is shown by lichens. In lichens, a relationship occurs in which fungus lives as a dominant organism and algae like a slave. This relationship is known as helotism. Many scientists consider algal fungal relationship in lichens as helotism. Helotism is a kind of symbiotic association, master-slave relationship, kind of mutualism, master-master relationship. Correct option is master-slave relationship. Helotism is a kind of master-slave relationship. Here, algae act as slave for the fungal master, and this master and slave hypothesis was given by Crombie. Vegetative reproduction in lichens takes place by Isidia, Soridia, fragmentation. All of the above. Correct option is all of the above. Vegetative reproduction in lichens takes place by Isidia, Soridia and fragmentation. In the studies on the atmospheric pollution, lichens are important as they can readily multiply in polluted atmosphere, are very sensitive to pollutants, efficiently purify the atmosphere, can also be grown in greatly polluted atmosphere. Among these, correct statement is are very sensitive to pollutants. Lichens are important as they are very sensitive to pollutants. This lichen is pioneer in Xerocerae, fruticose lichen, foliose lichen, crustose lichen, leprose lichen. Correct option is crustose lichen. Crustose lichens are the pioneers in Xerocerae. A common phycobiont in lichens are Citraria, Microcystis, Trypoxia, Oedogonium. Correct option is Trypoxia. Trypoxia is the most common phycobiont in lichens. Trypoxia is a unicellular green alga. Reindeer moss is a lichen known as Usnea, Rossella, Cladonia, Parmelia. Correct option is Cladonia. Reindeer moss is a lichen which is known as Cladonia. It means reindeer moss is the common name of Cladonia. This about lichens is incorrect. We have to find the incorrect statement among these four. Lichens are indicators of pollution. They grow rapidly, about 2 cm every day. Some species are eaten by reindeers. They have symbiotic relationship between alga and fungus. Among these, all statements are correct except option B. They grow rapidly about 2 centimeters every day because growth in lichens is very slow. The fungal partner in lichen is called mycobiont, whereas algal partner is called glycobiont, algobiont, phycobiont, often referred as algal partner. Correct option is phycobiont. The algal partner in lichen is known as phycobiont and the fungal partner is called mycobiont. In more than 95% of the lichens, the algal partner belongs to the class Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Zygomycetes, Mastigomycetes. Correct option is Ascomycetes. In more than 95% of lichens, the algal partner belongs to class Ascomycetes. The benefit of algae in association with fungi is food, vitamins, growth substances, protection. Correct option is protection. The benefit of algae in association with fungi is protection. The major group of algae involved in lichen formation is red algae, brown algae, green algae, all. Correct option is green algae. Green algae is a major group of algae that is involved in lichen formation. Asnia is a foliose lichen, fruticose lichen, crustose lichen, filamentous lichen. Correct option is fruticose lichen. Asnia is a fruticose lichen. The lichens are fast-growing short-lived, fast-growing long-lived, slow-growing short-lived, slow-growing long-lived. Correct option is slow-growing long-lived. Lichens are very slow-growing and they are long-lived. Iceland moss is Asnia species, Citraria species, Parmelia species, Lecanora species. Correct option is Citraria species. Iceland moss is a common name of Citraria species. The following lichen is used as food in tundras: Cladonia, Parmelia, Everina, all of these. Correct option is Cladonia. Cladonia is used as food in tundras. Which of the following is poisonous lichen? Litheria vulpina, Lecanora esculenta, Asnia barbata, all of these. Correct option is Litheria vulpina. It is a poisonous lichen. Reindeer moss and Iceland moss found in the extremely cold climates belong to bryophytes, pteridophytes, algae, lichen. Correct option is lichen. Reindeer moss and Iceland moss, which are found in extremely cold climates, belongs to lichen. Reindeer moss is a lichen used as a food by man. This belongs to the genus Citraria, Loberia, Cladonia, Asnia. Correct option is Cladonia. Reindeer moss belongs to genus Cladonia. The term lichen was first used by Aristotle, Dioscorides, Theophrastus, Pliny. Correct option is Theophrastus. The term lichen was first used by Theophrastus. Litmus, a natural dye, is obtained from algae, fungi, lichen, mosses. Correct option is lichen, as litmus is obtained from lichen. Lichens are ecologically important because they are associated with mycorrhizal roots. They are association of algae and fungi. They are pioneer, that is the earliest settler on barren rocks, and pass xeric conditions successfully. They can grow in greatly polluted areas. Here the correct option is option C. They are pioneers, earlier settler on barren rock, and pass xeric condition successfully. That is why lichens are ecologically important. This is the last question of the series. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. And in the next video, I will start some new series. Until next time, goodbye.